Right, so in this video we are going to now look at time folding or time reversal. All right, whether you see folding or reversal, it means the same thing. And what we do in time reversal is just to flip the signal. That's okay. We are flipping it. Those that were positive, what we reverse it, so they become what negative. Remember, not the amplitude, just at within the time domain, within the n-axis here, right? So we are only going to negate all of them. So those that were negative, if you negate it again, to become positive. Those that were positive, if you negate it, to become what negative. So that is basically what we do in time reversal. We are just what reflecting the or reversing the time axis. So given this signal, let's sketch x of negative n. Let's sketch x of negative n, x of minus n. Right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. All right, so if we negate this sample at negative 1, if you negate it again, it will be what? Reverse, so it will come to what? Positive 1. And the amplitude will be the same. So it will come to what? Positive 1. Then the one at 0, if you negate 0, you still get what? 0, so it will remain there. Negative 4. Then at 1 here, it will come to what? Negative 1. 2 here, if you negate it, will come to what? Negative 2. And the amplitude will remain the same, 1. Right, so this is how we go about time reversal or folding. Thank you.